TikTok use cases to inspire you. There have been a number of successful use cases already on TikTok, despite the platform being fairly new. Some of the early adopters of TikTok include sports teams, musicians, and colleges, as well as specific businesses. In a lot of cases, they have found that their TikTok videos create more engagement than they do on other social platforms. The Bailey Bakery. There have been a lot of bakeries, pastry chefs, and cake decorators use TikTok for their marketing with good results. This makes sense because baking and cake making is highly demonstrative. You will find a lot of videos of chefs and cake decorators doing their thing to music on TikTok. A number of chefs and bakers have amassed followings of over 100,000 on TikTok, but the Bailey Bakery really stands out. At the time of writing, they have over 4 million followers, and their videos have received over 90 million hearts or likes. Their videos all show bakers decorating cookies to background music. Sometimes they use the speed-up effects as well. Anthony Barbuto, lawyer. This one will probably surprise you. It seems unlikely that lawyers would do well on TikTok, but there are quite a few on there that are getting good results. Some of the law firms use the platform for brand awareness, and they have fun in the process. The biggest lawyer success story on TikTok is Anthony Barbuto. At the time of writing, he has over 1.8 million followers, and his content has more than 26 million hearts. Other lawyers share their advice and expertise on TikTok, and some videos get thousands of hearts and comments. University of Florida. It is no surprise seeing universities and colleges with TikTok accounts. Some are doing better than others, and the University of Florida is certainly making their mark on the platform. They have more than 83,000 followers and almost 1 million hearts for their videos. The University of Florida shares a lot of different experiences, such as a behind-the-scenes look on campus, accomplishments of various students, videos on sports hype, and even dance challenges. Lil Nas X. Again, no surprise to see musicians using TikTok, but Lil Nas X is a smart rapper who used the platform to really get the word out about his music. Most people have heard the Old Town Road song, and you can thank TikTok for this in a large part. A couple of years ago, Lil Nas X was unknown, but he worked out how he could use the meme culture of TikTok to appeal to the cool kids on the platform. His Old Town Road song went viral and ended up being the longest #1 song on the Billboard Hot 100 and Spotify. How did he do this? Well, he posted a video of him performing the song on TikTok's platform, which was quickly turned into a meme. This spread like crazy and produced over 500 million video views and resulted in over 5 million users creating videos around his hashtag, Old Town Road. The Low Mile Shop. If you own an e-commerce store, then you need to watch this. There are a lot of small e-commerce stores using the TikTok platform to promote their products now. They do this by creating and uploading videos that show how their products work to background music. The Low Mile Shop has really done well on TikTok. They created a video showing one of their products for closet organizing, and this received nearly 2 million hearts and almost 7,000 comments. What can TikTok do for your online store? The Washington Post. This is another usage case that may surprise you. The Washington Post has around 160,000 followers, and their content has over 4 million hearts. The content created by the Washington Post uses the features of TikTok really well. They really embrace the fun challenge and meme culture of the platform. Some of their most popular videos provide a behind-the-scenes look at their newsroom. In one video, there's a fun exchange between the editor and a reporter that received almost 100,000 hearts and more than 160 comments. The Pasco County Sheriff's Office. Cops on TikTok? You'd better believe it. There are a number of great cops, including entire sheriff's offices that have a presence on TikTok. One of the first of these law enforcement agencies to get onto TikTok was the Pasco County Sheriff's Office. Now they have around 300,000 followers, and their content has over 3 million hearts. They create ride-along clips with their deputies and behind-the-scenes clips. There are really funny videos of deputies taking up popular dance challenges on TikTok. Other success stories. There are other success stories on TikTok too. The NBA is on the platform, and they have over 5.5 million followers, and their content has more than 79 million hearts. They always post varied content ranging to highlights of basketball matches to fans dancing. Most of the NBA teams have their own TikTok accounts. A good example of this is the Chicago Bulls, who actually have an account for their mascot who has the name Benny the Bull. Benny has an Instagram account as well, but he has more followers on TikTok. Benny creates collaboration videos with other mascots. One of the most popular of these videos was with the mascot from the Philadelphia Flyers who has the name Gritty. This just goes to show that TikTok offers many opportunities for co-marketing. We hope that these successful use cases have inspired you to get started with the TikTok platform to promote your business. Get in now while it is still growing, and you too can create a huge following and a great marketing channel.